you can see Office button over here. Round circle is there where 4 windows are given. You have to just click on it. It is called Microsoft Office button. If you click on it, you will find various options such as new. This is for new, opening a new Excel spreadsheet. Open, if you want to open existing Excel spreadsheet, you can opt for this. It will show you the path where you have kept your Excel sheet, and you can open the existing spreadsheet also. Third option is save. If you want to save your work, you have to click on this. There is a fourth option, save as. Here in save as you will find various formats. First is Excel workbook format, Excel micro enable workbook, Excel binary workbook, Excel 97-2003 workbook format. For saving your document in Excel, you have to always use Excel 97-2003 format. This is the compatibility format which you always have to save your document in this format only, because this compatibility option is available in Excel for like we are using right now Excel 2007, but in another PC or another department, if any of your colleague is using older version of Microsoft Excel 97 or 97-2003 and you send the file in 2007 format, the concerned person will not be able to see your data unless he has installed Microsoft Office 2007 on his PC. So in order to enable him to see your data, you can save your document in Microsoft Excel 97-2003 enable format. So this compatibility format for save as is very important while you are working in company or you are sending file to a third party who are not using Excel 2007. Then there is an option print. Then there are other options also which are not required right now. We will see it later on. So this button is called as Microsoft Office button. The adjacent part to Microsoft Office button, there is a short window over here, you can see. This is called as quick access toolbar. This is like a shortcut toolbar. You will see a blue window over here. If you just move your cursor over there, it will show you save. So this is the shortcut for save. You will see these two arrows. These are for undo or redo. Undo option is like you are working on Excel spreadsheet and you realize that you have made a mistake and you want to undo your work, or you want to return to your previous format or previous data. You can always press Ctrl Z, or these are like undo and redo shortcuts. And this part is called as quick access toolbar. You can add various options like opening a new spreadsheet, you can use new. Then you can create a shortcut for print also, quick print. So various shortcuts in this quick access toolbar you can create. This part where you can see it is written book 1. This is called as a title bar. Right now it is mentioned as book 1 by default because you have opened a new Excel spreadsheet. But when you save this document, so how to save your document is right now I will show you. You have to go on Microsoft Office button, save as, Excel 97-2003 workbook format, compatibility mode. Right now I am saving this document on desktop with my name and surname. you will see save as type 97 2003 workbook format over here. There are various formats also, but right now we are using Excel 97 2003 workbook format. I am saving this document. So you can observe over here, as soon as I save this document with my name, this part, title bar, which is called as title bar, it has changed from book 1 to my name. That means I am working on a workbook which name is Uday Hirve. Correct? So title bar is for saving the workbook with appropriate name, whatever name you want to give for a particular data. So whatever is the title, it will be shown here in title bar. Now this below part of Excel, you will have various tabs over here. This part is called as ribbon. So this ribbon, in earlier version of Excel it was not present, but in Excel 2007 they have made it very user friendly, so that various formatting, various formulas, various layout tabs are visible to us very easily. So this various tabs and this whole part, blue whole part below the office button, is called as ribbon. So various tabs we will see one by one later on in this training. Now this below part, white part, you can see over here there are various squares, rectangles over here. This is called as Microsoft Office worksheet. Over here you can see sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So there are various sheets. If you click on insert worksheet, sheet 4 is included. Similarly, if you right click on sheet and click on delete, your sheet can be deleted. So this whole Uday Hirve workbook has sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So these sheets are generally, if you have different kind of data in a same workbook, for example, if you want to maintain enrollment data plus your client data or any other kind of data in a single workbook, you can have various sheets in your Excel. You will find this fx sign, function sign over here. This is called as formula bar. Whatever formula you will be putting in Excel spreadsheet will be shown in this formula bar. So later on, when I will teach you how to create a formula, that formula will be shown in this formula bar.